Okay folks, here's a little video that's part of the story to the Peerless Steam Engine resurrection. I've not finished the boiler. I've got a lot of work to do to that yet, but I've made new end plate to go on it. Recently we did the link to the valve control. Alright, so we'll just demonstrate that she goes on air first. After I fix the boiler, we'll get around to one of them. So here's starting from the good end, which is the end that doesn't have the shaft through it. There you go. And then she starts from the end that has the shaft through it as well. You realise this is starting without a spin from that good spot because my other hand is holding the camera. And before we go, I'll just give a little bit of this here for Clinton. And by the way, Arnold, I have a better looking valve to put in the boiler to drain, and I'll get rid of that one. Can go in the radio on my ute. Alright folks, let's just give that a spin again. Alright, you got to be happy with that. And that's all, so bye now.